If you're looking for a rugged smartphone with plenty of power and a massive battery, you've probably come across two devices that stand out for the crowd: the Doogee V50 Pro and the Oukitel WP500. On paper, they actually have more in common than you might expect. Both focus on delivering strong performance for the rugged phone segment, huge battery capacity, and the kind of durability designed to handle demanding environments. However, once you start looking at how they perform in everyday use, some important differences begin to appear. Those differences could make one model a much better fit for your needs than the other. So the real question is simple: is it worth paying extra for the Doogee, or is the Oukitel WP500 the smarter choice for most buyers? My conclusion is quite straightforward. I would choose the Doogee V50 Pro if you value its unique features and want something that feels a little different within the rugged smartphone market. But if your goal is to get the best overall value for your money, the Oukitel WP500 looks like the more sensible purchase and the device that will likely satisfy the majority of buyers.